In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Twilio Invalid Number Error in Make.com. So it typically means that when a number says that it's invalid, it means the number you dialed is not recognized as a valid or active phone number by the phone system. So what you can do is you need to make sure to go over to Twilio and make sure the number is valid or inputted correctly or formatted correctly or accurately. So you need to make sure the number is not too long or too short or missing an error code or has an incorrect international prefix. You need to also make sure that your actual Twilio module doesn't have this error icon right here, so make sure to fix that in there as well. So if you have many services that requires phone number for verification, this will usually flag a landline as invalid because it can't receive text messages. So do take note of that as well. So if the number is no longer in use and the person you're trying to reach has changed or deleted their phone number, it will also result in invalid number error. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.